Upgrading your patio door can transform the look and feel of your home while enhancing functionality, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to increase natural light, improve indoor-outdoor flow, or reduce your energy bills, a new patio door can deliver significant benefits. However, the key to maximizing these benefits lies in professional installation. Here's why upgrading your patio door with the help of professional installers is a smart move for Columbia homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency. Columbia's hot summers and cooler winters can drive up energy costs, especially if your patio door is outdated or poorly insulated. Professional installation ensures that your new patio door is sealed tightly and fitted correctly to reduce energy loss and keep your home comfortable year-round. Improved insulation. Modern patio doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, often featuring double or triple panes, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames. Professional installers ensure these features work as intended by eliminating air leaks and creating a tight seal. Lower utility bills. Properly installed energy-efficient doors reduce heat transfer, helping you maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reducing the strain on your HVAC system. This can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. Increased home security. A patio door is a potential entry point for intruders, so security is a top priority for any homeowner. Upgrading to a new, professionally installed patio door can enhance the security of your home and provide peace of mind. Reinforced frames and locks. Professional installers ensure that your patio door is securely anchored and equipped with advanced locking systems, such as multi-point locks, to deter unauthorized access. Impact-resistant glass. Many modern patio doors offer the option of impact-resistant glass, which is more difficult to break. Professional installation ensures this added layer of protection is properly integrated for maximum security. Enhanced aesthetic appeal and curb appeal. Upgrading your patio door can instantly elevate the look of your home's interior and exterior. Professional installation ensures that your new door fits seamlessly into your existing decor and enhances your home's overall aesthetic. Variety of designs. From sleek sliding glass doors to elegant French doors, professional installers offer a range of design options to match your home's style and your personal taste. Flawless finish. Professional installers pay close attention to detail, ensuring a clean, polished installation that boosts your home's curb appeal and makes a great impression on guests and potential buyers. Improved functionality and smooth operation. A poorly functioning patio door can be a source of frustration, making it difficult to access your outdoor space. Professional installation ensures that your new patio door operates smoothly and reliably. Proper alignment. Professional installers ensure your door is correctly aligned, preventing issues like sticking, jamming, or difficulty sliding. This makes it easier to open and close the door with minimal effort. Durability. By ensuring a precise fit and using high-quality materials, professional installation extends the lifespan of your patio door and minimizes the need for future repairs. Increased natural light and indoor-outdoor flow. One of the primary benefits of a patio door is its ability to bring the outdoors in, enhancing natural light and creating a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Professional installation maximizes these benefits, making your home feel brighter, more open, and more inviting. Custom glass options. Professional installers can recommend glass options that optimize natural light while reducing glare and protecting against UV rays. Enhanced view. With a properly installed patio door, you can enjoy unobstructed views of your outdoor space, creating a stronger connection between your indoor living area and your backyard or patio. Reduced maintenance and long-term performance. Upgrading to a new patio door with professional installation means less maintenance and fewer issues over time. Professional installers use high-quality materials and follow best practices to ensure your door remains durable and low maintenance. Weather resistance. Colombia's climate can be challenging, with high humidity and heavy rainfall. Professional installation includes weatherproofing techniques that protect your door from moisture, warping, and other damage. Low-maintenance materials. Many modern patio doors are made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that require minimal upkeep, making them an ideal choice for busy homeowners. Tailored solutions and expert guidance. Professional installers provide personalized recommendations based on your home's unique needs, preferences, and budget. This ensures you get the right patio door for your space and lifestyle. Custom fit. Professional installers measure and tailor the door to fit your specific opening, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Expert advice. With their in-depth knowledge, professionals can guide you through design options, energy-efficient features, and security enhancements to help you make an informed decision. Warranty protection for peace of mind. Many patio doors come with manufacturer warranties that are only valid if the door is installed by a certified professional. By choosing professional installation, you're protecting your investment and ensuring any issues are covered. Labor and product warranties. Professional installers often offer warranties on their workmanship, giving you added peace of mind in case of future issues. Final thoughts. Upgrading your patio door with professional installation in Colombia offers numerous benefits, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced security to better functionality and increased curb appeal. Trusting experienced installers ensures that your new door performs at its best, providing long-term value and comfort for your home. Whether you're looking to brighten your space, improve indoor-outdoor flow, or boost home security, professional installation is the key to a successful patio door upgrade.